The world of laptops is evolving at lightning speed, and Apple is once again setting new benchmarks with the highly anticipated M4 MacBook Air. As 2025 unfolds, tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike are eager to see how this latest version stacks up against its predecessors. With a powerful new processor, longer battery life, and notable design refinements, Apple's ultra-lightweight laptop is making headlines. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down everything you need to know about the M4 MacBook Air and whether it's the right upgrade for you. Blazing speed with the M4 chip, a game changer. At the core of the M4 MacBook Air lies its most significant improvement, the Apple M4 chip. With a 10-core CPU and GPU, this next-gen silicon delivers 25% faster performance in multi-core tasks compared to the M3 chip. But speed isn't just about benchmarks. This upgrade translates into better multitasking, enhanced app performance, and more efficient workflows. Whether you're a content creator, student, or business professional, the M4 chip is built to handle it all. 16 GB RAM as the new standard. A long-requested upgrade is finally here. Unlike previous models that started with 8 GB RAM, the M4 MacBook Air now comes with 16 GB RAM by default. This ensures a smoother experience when running multiple apps, editing high-resolution videos, or managing extensive workflows. Need even more power? Apple now offers configurations with up to 32 GB of RAM, making this MacBook Air a legitimate choice for developers, video editors, and professionals handling heavy-duty applications. Battery life, more power for longer work sessions. Battery life has always been a major strength of the MacBook Air, and the M4 chip takes it a step further. If Apple's M4 MacBook Pro performance is any indication, we can expect at least 2 additional hours of real-world usage. With improved power efficiency, the M4 MacBook Air is designed to last through a full workday, whether you're attending virtual meetings, editing videos, or working remotely. Apple continues to refine its hardware for maximum efficiency, ensuring that users can rely on all-day battery life without worrying about charging. Camera and connectivity. The best MacBook Air setup yet. A 12MP camera with AI-powered enhancements. With remote work and content creation on the rise, Apple is stepping up its MacBook Air webcam game. The M4 MacBook Air now features a 12MP camera with center stage technology, keeping you perfectly framed during video calls. An exciting addition is the Desk View feature, allowing users to showcase their workspace while staying visible on screen. Perfect for presentations, streaming, and online teaching. Expanded connectivity and dual display support. Apple has finally addressed one of the biggest MacBook Air limitations, external display support. Unlike previous models that only allowed one external monitor, the M4 MacBook Air now supports 2 external displays while keeping the laptop's built-in screen active. With 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, faster data transfer speeds, and increased connectivity options, this MacBook Air is now a far more versatile workstation. Design tweaks. Apple's subtle yet impactful refinements. The M4 MacBook Air retains the sleek, modern aesthetic introduced in 2022, but Apple is introducing some subtle refinements to improve the user experience. One rumored addition is nano texture glass, a feature previously reserved for high-end Pro models. If introduced, this would significantly reduce glare, making it easier to work in bright environments without eye strain. While no major external redesign is expected, Apple continues to refine its winning formula, keeping the MacBook Air lightweight while improving its overall functionality. Multi-display productivity. A MacBook Pro rival? One of the biggest advantages of the M4 MacBook Air is expanded external monitor support. Previously, users had to rely on third-party solutions to connect multiple displays, but now Apple is giving professionals what they've been asking for. With dual external monitor support, users can now seamlessly work with multiple screens, a crucial upgrade for video editors, programmers, and business professionals. This upgrade closes the gap between the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, making the Air a more attractive choice for professionals who want power without the bulk. Price and value. Is it worth it? Apple is expected to keep the base price of the M4 MacBook Air at $1,099, the same as the M3 model. However, if you want to upgrade RAM or storage, prices will increase accordingly. Higher-end configurations with 32 GB RAM and more storage will come at a premium. But considering the significant performance and efficiency improvements, the M4 MacBook Air remains an excellent value in its category. When can you get it? According to industry experts like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is expected to announce the M4 MacBook Air in early 2025, likely between January and February. Given Apple's history of early year releases for MacBooks, this timeline makes perfect sense. With the release of macOS 15.2, clues about the new MacBook Air are already surfacing, fueling the anticipation even more. Should you upgrade? If you're currently using an M1 or M2 MacBook Air, the M4 model brings significant improvements in performance, battery life, and connectivity. The dual external display support, 16 GB RAM as the new base standard, and improved efficiency make this one of the most versatile MacBook Air models to date. For users needing a lightweight, ultra-powerful MacBook for work, study, or creative projects, the M4 MacBook Air is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for the official announcement and get ready for Apple's next big leap in laptop technology.